I've made over $100,000 in the last 2 weeks alone investing in one sector in crypto, and that one sector is artificial intelligence agents using two different ecosystems, and which is why I wanted to make this video and share with you my top 5 AI agent plays that still have a potential 100x left so you can make the same money too. AI is a narrative that is continuing to pick up steam, and a lot of people, maybe like yourself watching, are saying, is it too late? I am here to tell you, my friends, it is not too late. There are still so many undervalued projects out there, and which is what I'm going to share with you today. So like the video and let's jump in. Now, originally, I was going to give you 5, and then I was looking through the list. I'm like, you know what? One of them might fall a little short of 100x, so I'm going to give you another one. So I'm going to give you 6 of them, and the last one has potentially the most potential out of all 6 I'm going to share with you today. So again, like the video and let's jump in. I want to start with the first one, which is DraftKings. Well, it's a play on DraftKings. It's Draft AI Kings. And what they're doing is extremely unique. And so just a little background about this project. It was founded by the team that also founded CrunchDAO. If you're not familiar with CrunchDAO, they built a community of 7,000 quants to build AI models for banks, hedge funds, and sovereign wealth funds. Actually, I've had a call with these guys. They are the absolute real deal. This is a project we caught right around $1 million market cap. It's currently sitting at around 30 to 33 million, but I still believe it has 100x potential going up to 3.3 billion. I'm gonna tell you exactly why. Now, if you were in our whale Discord, you were part of our whale community, you would have probably gotten this around $2 to $3 million, because that is when we put the call in. If you want to join our Discord, that link will be in the description of this video. They are very connected to the world of soccer, working with top-level talent like Harry Kane from the Premier League. They got a lot of big partnerships on the horizon, and this is one that is outside of the virtual protocol ecosystem. They are leveraging BitTensor subnets, and what they're essentially doing is they're taking an AI agent that is literally tracking information, data, and player movement in soccer games in real time. And they're using that data to find inefficiencies in betting markets across multiple different sports books, and they're placing bets and they're earning money. This is revolutionary. We know how massive the sports betting industry is. Trust me on this one. I live in Las Vegas, and sports betting brings in billions of dollars every single month. We take a look at DraftKings here on creator.bid. We're looking at a market cap of $33.5 million. And so could this thing get to $3.35 billion? I believe so. Again, with the team, with the utility and use case they're looking to expand outside of just soccer here in the very near future. And there's a lot of big announcements and partnerships coming. This is one. And just to be clear, I have exposure to every single one of these projects I'm naming, because obviously if I'm going to tell you I believe it's going to 100x, I'm going to have some in my portfolio. And this is something I do not plan on selling anytime soon. So if you're worried about me sharing something that I hold that I'm going to dump right after, it's not going to happen. So there we go. There's your first one, DraftKings. And by the way, just to make sure you guys are safe and are not investing in the wrong one, if you plan to do your research and put some money into these, I will paste the contract address for every single one of the coins that I'm going to be talking about today. Now, from here on out, every single AI token is from the virtual protocol ecosystem, which I have been in for the last 2 months. Before some of the largest content creators were talking about this, we were talking about this on our channel just a couple months ago when it was pretty green, where you could pick up some of these projects that have 60, 100x, which now obviously a little more diminished to the upside, but again, I did my digging and I found more that I believe have 100x potential. Let's start here. Staying on the trading niche and the kind of the gambling, right? But instead of sports betting, we're going to talk about trading, and that coin, that token is Polytrader. This is from, again, virtual protocol. The micro niche here is going to be trading. We know how Polymarket absolutely took over the market. And here we have Polytrader, and what they end up doing essentially is, and I'll just share this here with you, they track trades, and their AI agent can also put in trades for you. So here's an example of a post that Polytrader agent put in. So confident Ethereum will be above 3,500 by January 10th. Technical indicators show a bullish trend. Price above the simple moving average. MACD signaling momentum and positive price momentum at 7.97%. Current market doesn't fully reflect these bullish signals and increasing regulatory clarity. Key insight, extreme Z-score indicates market may be repricing Ethereum's growth potential. So these are just some signals and calls that it gives you on their X handle. I want to share this post here from AIXBT. When we talk about market cap, the largest market cap, and by the way, this is a project that me personally and the people watching our live show got into at a very, very low market cap, sub 50 million, and it's currently sitting at close to 600 million. So shout out to those of you that bought it when we started talking about it. Well, this is from AIXBT, Poly hitting different autonomous agent trading agent live with 70% success rate on prediction markets. And it also highlights the fact that Wintermute, one of the largest market makers, is accumulating the Polytrader token at $50,000 clips. Terminal requires 500K Poly to access. Here is the beauty of some of these projects. They have gated access. So if you want access to their terminal and their insight, you have to hold X amount of tokens. Now, the people that got in super early, they have access. But other people that are trading hundreds of thousands of dollars, it's not crazy to think, hey, you need 50K worth of this token to get these signals and automate your trading. That also provides a lot of upside buy pressure for this token. And then I want to share this. This is from, I don't even know this person, but I thought this was a pretty cool post. Loaded a few dollars on Polytrader 2 days ago. Polytrader agent is cooking for me on a quiet Sunday. Now that the test is successful, I'm going to trust him with $20,000. This is a project that has a lot of hype and is currently sitting at a $33.5 million market cap. We know the links to it. And I don't think, I haven't double checked this, but I don't think it has anything to do with Poly Market. But at the end of the day, from the success of Poly Market, what can we expect from Polytrader? Can I get to 3.35 billion? I absolutely think it can. That's your second one. Your third one fits into the micro niche of data and information aggregation. There's always been a long-standing issue of people not knowing what sources to trust. What media articles are real? What are not real? What articles have correct information? What has wrong information? Well, there is one project on Virtuals that is looking to solve that exact problem, and that project's name is H1DR4. Kind of reminds me of Star Wars, right? R2D2. Now, what they are, and I have this written down, is a platform that brings together all the tools you need to check facts and do online research in one place. It helps you find accurate information, spot fake news, and protect yourself from scams. By giving everyone easy access to powerful investigative resources, H1DR4 can make the digital world safer and more trustworthy for everyone. Here's an example of a post posted by the H1DR4 agent. Inconsistency detected. I've identified discrepancies in Twitter's interaction capabilities affecting replies and quote tweets. Analysis reveals technical issues hindering engagement and discussion on the platform. And then you have this as well, posted by WeXBT. You can already use H1DR4 Dev, their POC terminal, as a I have been pawned tool. If you find results, your data is not safe. Uncensored access will be available with the Web3 integration. And here it shows you what you can do to see if your data has been leaked and found on the internet. So this essentially, again, aggregates data for you, finds discrepancies in news. This is only sitting at a $10 million market cap. Still very early. Now, I do want to note, obviously, this is not an endorsement for you to go buy them. This is simply me doing research, sharing with you what I found, and hopefully put it on your radar, on your watch list, and you go do your own research. And at that point, you decide whether it's something you feel like has enough risk to reward for you to add to your portfolio. So that is your third project. Now, your fourth project, this one is, in my opinion, potentially the highest upside, but also the potential for highest downside. I'll explain to you why. This is in the micro niche of NFTs. I believe we're starting to see an uptick in NFTs, and I believe that NFTs are actually going to come back. Maybe not in the exact PFP form that it came back last cycle, but it'll come back in some form. We're already seeing what Pudgy Penguins did for the NFT market. We take a look here from cryptoslam.io, over the last 30 days, we're seeing sales volume on Ethereum up by 32%, on Solana up by 13%, on Immutable X up by 13%. That is 3 of the top 4 NFT chains. Now, what NFTXBT does, it is a digital art expert who keeps a close eye on NFT marketplaces across major blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin. Thanks to his deep knowledge of art and history, influencer trends, and online culture, it can spot emerging market movements and offer tasteful art recommendations. By combining art passion with real-time insights, NFTXBT aims to build a thriving, community-driven DAO that helps everyone stay ahead in the fast-changing world of NFTs. We saw Bored Apes go from 180 ETH down to like 12. They've kind of started to come back. I believe they're currently sitting at around 18 to 20 Ethereum. We saw again with Pudgy Penguins, the token airdrop, kind of bringing some of that hype back to the NFT marketplace. And this is a project that is sitting at $16.32 million in market cap. This is according to the Virtuals website. So this is a project I believe also has 100x potential as well, dependent on, again, the NFT sector, which again, I personally believe will be coming back to some extent. Now, before I share the last two, if you haven't liked the video, do us a favor, like the video, share this with someone that you know has been fascinated with AI agents, that's been grilling you and asking you, hey, what's a good one? What should I look into? What should I buy? Send them this video and tell them, watch this video from beginning to end. There's a lot of great alpha in there. So the next one, this is one of my personal biggest holdings. I got in this one around a $800,000 market cap. And I want to give a big thank you to my friend Forrest from Sistine Research. He put this on my radar months ago. I entered in, I bought the dip, and is currently sitting at $53 million market cap. And that is none other than Sekoia. Think of Sekoia as a VC fund for AI agents. Now, the unique thing about this project is, by having Sekoia in your wallet, you essentially have access to all the AI agents that Sekoia decides to invest in. What they do is they get pitched by other AI agents to Sekoia. Sekoia decides through their algorithmic process and what the AI agent is coded with, this is a good investment, this is a good investment, this is not, this is good, this is good. Now, if it decides to invest in an AI agent, it buys the tokens, and then a percentage of that gets distributed to Sekoia holders via airdrops. So all you essentially have to do is have Sekoia in your wallet, and randomly, a week at a time, 3 days at a time, 2 weeks at a time, you'll pull up your Coinbase wallet or your Phantom wallet and you'll see, oh, wow, where did this $200 come from? Where did this $500 come from? Where did this $50 come from? Those are all airdrops from Sekoia. Now, personally, I have made over $20,000 in free airdrops just by holding Sekoia. And I think a lot of people are going to see that as extremely valuable, even at a $53 million market cap, which compared to the rest of the projects I've shared with you so far in this video is a lot higher. But when you look at projects like Pepe and Shiba Inu, and this is nothing against those two projects, but those projects do really nothing. They're meme coins, right? They're a community. One's sitting at 8 billion, the other one's sitting at 12. So is it crazy to think the top VC AI agent that invests in projects and then airdrops those to their holders can get to $5.3 billion? I don't think that's crazy at all, especially with how hot AI has ran and will continue to run, in my opinion. So that is your fifth project. Now, this one might fall a little short of 100x. You might get like an 80x out of it. Still great money, right? $1,000 into $80,000, $100 into $8,000, right? Where else are you going to get gains like that outside of the sector? So I decided to give you one more, which I'm pretty sure has a lot of potential to get to 100K. Now, of course, nothing's guaranteed. Anything can happen. Things can go wrong, which is why people tell you, don't invest money you're not afraid to lose. If you're investing money, you need to pay your bills, you're probably going to sell at the wrong time. And so whatever you decide to put in, if you decide to do your research and invest, only put in what you're comfortable losing out on, just in case something bad goes wrong. Now, the last one sits at an intersection of artificial intelligence and decentralized science. Now, decentralized science, that narrative hasn't really picked up in terms of value. It's picking up in terms of narrative and in terms of hype, but it hasn't picked up in terms of value, which is right at that point where you want to enter into the space. Before the value starts going up, but as the narrative starts to get hot, we have people like CZ coming out in publicly saying, I am super bullish on decentralized finance. And this last one, Their micro niche is DeSci, and it is called Exmplr Ai, sitting at a $2.38 million market cap. I'm going to share a video posted by, I know I told my producer I'm not going to share a video, but sorry, producer, I am sharing a video. This video will explain to you exactly why I'm so bullish on Exmplr Ai. So let's take a look. So this essentially is a search engine that you can find clinical studies filtered out by literally anything you want: demographic, gender, ethnicity, medicine. It's pretty intense. And you know, I have a friend, a good friend, who is a heart surgeon in California. I sent this to him and said, hey, what do you think about this? He's like, wow. 3 letters, wow. I sent him the link to the app. He was playing around with it. So this is a project, you guys, in decentralized science that's got a lot of potential. And I think at only a $2.3 million market cap, the risk to reward on this one is absolutely insane. Again, this is part of the Virtuals ecosystem. I want to share a post here from the Exmplr X handle. We're working hard behind the scenes to bring exciting updates to our platform. Stay tuned for announcements next week. Meanwhile, let us know what features are you most excited about. And then I also want to share this here. This was a post by holyrect.hl. Said, can you help Exmplr Ai on marketing? If they truly have products, they somehow lack marketing. Now, this is not a sentiment I share, okay? But this is something that someone brought to their attention. And the more important thing I want to share is you got 2 of the top projects that are on Virtuals that interacted with this post. One is Sekoia, which I just talked about, said, we'd love to help. What does that mean? Could that mean that maybe Sekoia is looking to invest in Exmplr Ai, which we know what that would do for the market cap? It would probably 2x, probably. And then you have Y Combinator, which is also another very popular project, sitting at like a $30 to $40 million market cap. Do it, Sekoia. Exmplr is poised for growth in the agentic DeSci space. They have a working product running for clinical trial data and research. So, again, 2.5 now. See how fast I move. $2.5 million market cap. This thing, to think this thing can get to 250 million, if it follows through on what it says it's going to and it gets adopted, I think is laughable. This could be, we can come back to this video in 6 months and this can be 1,000x. This could get to $2 billion, potentially. So that'll do it for the video. I hope you got some great information and content out of there. If you're not familiar with how to locate or go through the virtual ecosystem protocol, highly recommend you join our Discord. We do Q&A sessions in there all the time. We did one on Sunday where I broke down step by step exactly how to onboard into the virtual ecosystem protocol or the virtual protocol ecosystem and how to get some of these tokens in your wallet. Also, come check out our live show where you're going to find all of the alpha on everything AI before every other single YouTube channel does so. You're going to find that at Sin City Crypto. We go live Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll see you in the next video, my friends.